South Korea has offered a multifaceted package to the Philippine Air Force, PAF, including the supply of 10 KF-21 Boramae Block I fighter jets. Last July, the Philippines sent a request for information about the aircraft to KAI, the developer of the KF-21 fighter jet. Shin Dong Hak, Vice President of International Business Development at KAI, said that they will prepare a response to the Philippines' request. According to a report by Army Recognition, Korea Aerospace Industries, KAI, has submitted a new proposal to the Philippine Air Force, PAF, as part of its ongoing efforts to improve air combat capabilities. In an interview with a KAI official, it was revealed that the South Korean company has proposed a multifaceted package that includes the export of 12 new F-A-50 Block 20 Fighting Eagle light attack aircraft, the upgrade of the PAF existing fleet of 12 F-A-50PH and the potential sale of KF-21 Boramae fighter jets to meet the PAF requirements. This offer is in line with the parameters set by the PAF Multi-Role Combat Aircraft (MRF) procurement phase, which has a budget allocation of around 61.2 billion Philippine pesos. Under current budget constraints, KAI estimates that a purchase of 10 KF-21 Block I, including Integrated Logistics Support (ILS), would be possible within the Phase 1 budget. KAI also noted that upgrades to the KF-21 Block II, which would expand the aircraft's capabilities to include a broader range of air-to-ground missions, are expected to become available by 2028. Depending on the agreed terms, the PAF could receive these Block II upgrades in the same timeframe as the Republic of Korea Air Force. The South Korean government has expressed its readiness to guarantee support for the KF-21 if they are procured by the Philippines. The Philippine Department of National Defense, DND, has acknowledged that funding constraints remain a major factor in the plan to acquire 40 new multi-role combat aircraft. Given these financial considerations, the DND and the PAF may prioritize moving to Phase 1 of the Multi-Role Combat Aircraft (MRF) acquisition program, as the Philippine government can finance this phase without requiring special funding arrangements. The KF-21 Boramae is a 4.5-generation multi-role fighter aircraft developed by South Korea to replace older models such as the F-4 Phantom II and KF-21EF in the South Korean Air Force. The project began in the early 2000s and has undergone several feasibility studies with international cooperation, including Indonesia in the development effort. The KF-21 project aims to strengthen South Korea's domestic fighter aircraft production capabilities and reduce its dependence on foreign suppliers for military technology. The KF-21 is equipped with an active electronically scanned array (AESA) radar, which allows simultaneous tracking and engagement of multiple targets. This radar is complemented by an infrared search and track (IRST) system and electro-optical targeting pods, which enable aircraft to be detected and targeted at long ranges. The KF-21 has several planned variants, including Block I, Block II, and Block III, and potential derivatives such as the KF-21N carrier-based version, KF-21EA electronic warfare variant, and KF-21SA export version. The Block I variant focuses on basic air-to-air capabilities. Block II aims to enhance air-to-ground missions and sensor capabilities, while Block III, KF-21EX, is planned to include more advanced stealth features and integration with unmanned systems. The Block I version, planned for production from 2024 to 2028, is configured primarily for air-to-air combat roles with limited air-to-ground capabilities. It features semi-recessed weapons and advanced radar and sensor systems. 40 aircraft are planned to be delivered to the ROK AF and an additional 50 to the Indonesian Air Force.